I'm Visla, I am a drum and bass producer from the UK, and this is my masterclass for Soundteams. In this masterclass, I'll show you how I develop a very simple idea, something say around 8 bars, into something that has its own structure. I'll show you how I approach resampling and all my favorite plugins I would use to create variation inside of a tune. This tutorial will be most helpful for those in Ableton Live 11, as that is the DAW that I use. However, most of its teachings can be transferred to many other DAWs. I don't really use many Ableton Live 11 specific software, so this is suitable for anyone on any DAW. So a bit about me, I primarily work with critical music, which is where I'm mostly known for. I've remixed the likes of QZB, Mephius and Noisia, and played shows across the UK and Europe. Recently I've done a couple of very amazing festival debuts. So last year I debuted at Let It Roll, and this year I debuted at Boomtown, and also Beats for Love, which was amazing.